How to connect Dropship.io to Shopify. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of connecting Dropship.io to your Shopify store, allowing you to explore the world of dropshipping it offers. Okay, now let's start by opening your Shopify store. Head over the Shopify website and click on the login button. This will allow you to access your account and select the store you wish to work on. Once you are on your store's dashboard, the next step is to navigate to Dropship.io on a different tab. Upon visiting the website, you will discover that Dropship.io is compatible with various platforms including Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This integration allows you to seamlessly connect these two applications and leverage their combined benefits. Okay, to get started, let's begin with initiating a free trial. Simply select the option to start a free trial and you can choose to sign in with your Google account or enter email address. Once you have completed this step, you will gain access to your account within seconds. Take a moment as it loads and there you have it. At this point, you'll be presented with options, the basic, standard, and premium plans. You must select one of these plans to continue using the service. While you can try them out for free during the initial 7-day period, it's important to note that access to your account will be restricted without an active plan. Okay, for now, let's keep things simple and proceed. Okay, so similarly, let's go to Shopify and navigate to Apps section here and click on our recommended app. Okay, now search for Dropship.io within your app store to continue the integration process. So here it appears that there is no specific information available regarding the integration of Dropship.io. So the first solution is, if you have the subscription with Dropship.io, you can access the integration through the Dropship.io. So there are about 4 ways you can integrate your Shopify store with Dropship. Okay, so let me show you the first method. So here at the upper left corner, click on your username. By doing so, you will reveal a small panel that you can use to manage your account, change the app theme, or connect your store simply by clicking on the plus button or connect Shopify store. Okay, then you'll be greeted with a pop-up screen where you can type in or paste your store link, then finalize that process by clicking on the connect. You can find your store link just by going to your Shopify store and copy it and paste it here. Okay, so let me show you the second method. After making a search inside a product database, the listed products will appear, and next to each one of them, to the far right, you see 3 dots. Click on them and it will show you the option Import Product to Shopify. Click on it and you will see a drop-down menu showing you the list of stores you already have linked, and at the bottom, click on Connect New Store. Then type in or paste the link to the store and press connect. The third solution is, after adding a product to the sales tracker, click on Products tab on the top, as you can see here, where you will see the listed products, and next to each one of them, to the far right, you'll see the 3 dots. Click on them and it will show you the option Import Product to Shopify. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu showing you the list of stores you already have linked, and then as before, just click on Connect New Store button. Then type in or paste the link to your store and then press connect. So here is the last solution. After making a search inside the competitor research, the listed product will appear, and next to each one of them, you see the Import Product button. Next to each one of them, you see a small icon, which is Import Product button. Click on it and it will show you the pop-up screen that you can use to import to Shopify. Here you'll see a drop-down menu showing you the list of stores you already have linked, and at the bottom, just click on Connect New Store. Then, as I have told you before, just copy and paste the link to your store and press connect. So there is no limit to the amount of Shopify stores you can connect to your dropship account. You can do that by using any of the 4 ways we discussed earlier. And also you can easily disconnect your Shopify store at any time simply by clicking on Manage Account here. From there, just scroll down to the lower right corner of that page where you click on drop-down menu that shows the list of stores, and then choose the store you seek and then click on disconnect. A pop-up screen will appear and simply confirm by clicking on disconnect. Okay, on the other hand, let me introduce you to a second app that facilitates integration of Shopify with dropship.io. To get started, head over to zapper.com. Once there, simply copy the provided link and paste it into your browser. Next, navigate to the app section conveniently located in the side menu. You'll find Shopify listed among the available apps. Alright, the next step is to establish connection. Make sure you are connected to one of the stores. Just follow along here. Simply copy the code associated with your store and proceed with the connection process. So let's move on to Shopify. Once you are in Shopify, click to initiate the connection. If everything is working smoothly, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the connection has been successfully tested. However, if there's any issues, you might see any feedback at all. Now onto the second app. Finding it is just as easy. Head to the app section and search for dropship. And let's look it here. So here is the issue. Dropship doesn't have any affiliate or partnership agreement with the app you are trying to integrate, which is up here. But there's a solution, although it will require some investment. I suggest choosing for subscription on Dropship instead of the method I will outline now. Just to see the process, firstly head to the upgrade plan section. You'll need to upgrade your plan specifically to the professional plan. This will cost you upwards of $50 annually. If you prefer monthly plan, it will be around $73. So after upgrading your plan, simply reach out to the support team and let them know you'd like to add dropship.io as a custom app and complete with its logic. They'll likely accept your request and deliver the custom app to you within 3 days. However, considering the price, it might not be the most cost-effective solution. Choosing for a premium plan directly on a dropship would be much more advantageous. Despite the investment in the professional plan, you'll still need to create separate account on dropship and subscribe the premium. Going through dropship and investing in a plan is much more beneficial than relying on a third-party app to facilitate the connection between Shopify and dropship.io. To wrap things up, the integration of dropshipping and Shopify can be a game changer for your online business endeavors. When you combine the convenience of dropshipping with the robust features of Shopify, you open up a world of opportunities to thrive in the digital marketplace. So say goodbye to the complexities of inventory management and shipping logistics and say hello to a more streamlined and efficient business model. So by leveraging Shopify's powerful e-commerce platform, you can easily set up and manage your dropshipping operations with a minimal hassle. This means that you can focus your time and energy on what truly matters and marketing your products and providing exceptional customer experiences. Okay, so that wraps up for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next one.